Me, I'm married. I'm born again.
Paul talk of something that women made or won the heart of their husbands by their God.
So you mean by my character, my husband can be same?
In fact, that's the best thing. If your man sleeps or comes back home late, don't push him. Where are you coming from? But I've seen most people saying that you must marry who is counter-checking you. It is true. But how do you counter-check? How you counter-checking?
But then, I had that thing and I was like, so now how can I keep on?
There's something, like I gave you a dimension of a woman. If a woman, for example, the man of that home is like a promiscuous person. If that woman kneels down and say, God, I don't want this promiscuousness in this home. Why do you not want it?